Hi friend, this is your Padmaja from Hong Kong. Today I'm going to show you the recipe of our Manthripragada family's ginger chutney. It is very simple, which is eaten along with idlis. This is the recipe of my mother-in-law's mother-in-law. So I'm super excited to share this very simple recipe. So let's check out for the ingredients and the procedure. About quarter cup chopped ginger, 3 spoons of powdered jaggery, 6 green chilies, 3 spoons of tamarind puree, salt to taste. You need to grind all these ingredients along with water. For the seasoning, you need 2 spoons of urad dal, 2 spoons of mustard seeds, 2 spoons of jeera seeds, 1 spoon of haldi, hing, 1 spoon, and few curry leaves. Heat oil in a pan and add the spices and fry till golden brown. Mix the spices into the ginger chutney. This chutney has to be in a water consistency as we are going to eat it along with the idlis.